Hello everyone! Anastasia Sagar here, and I teach Russian on italki.com. Today I'm gonna talk about 4 questions for acquaintance. Some of my friends, foreign friends of course, told me that Russian women are considered to be the prettiest women in the world. So even if you don't speak Russian at all, even though visiting italki.com can solve your problem, but you want to get acquainted with a pretty lady, you can use these 4 questions to do this. One thing to mention, these 4 questions are applied not only to women but men as well, alright? So in short, even if you want to get acquainted with somebody, knowing nothing in Russian, these 4 questions will definitely do. So normally after greeting a person you usually ask «Как дела?» «Как дела?» It means «How are you?» Literally it means «How are the affairs?» Okay, so after you guys both exchange your boring «Great» and «Fine», you can get to your next question, which is «Как тебя зовут?» «Как тебя зовут?» Which means «What's your name?» Or again, literally means «How do they call you?» Well done! Now you already have a chance to find that person on Facebook. Next question is «Где ты живешь?» Где ты живешь? It means where do you live? And the last question is «Сколько тебе лет?» Сколько тебе лет? It means how old are you? Or literally it means how many years to you. I heard that it's sort of impolite to ask about someone's age in some cultures, yeah? But I personally don't find anything offensive in this. However, be careful. If you find that offensive, maybe better go and check someone's Facebook profile instead of asking directly about the age. Mind that all the questions I gave you contain the informal pronoun ты. If you want to get acquainted with a person who is of a higher social status or just obviously much older than you, then better use a formal pronoun, which is вы. So let us revise all the questions together with informal and formal version. Как дела? Как тебя зовут? Or a formal equivalent is как вас зовут? Где ты живешь? Or another one which is formal is где вы живете? The last one is сколько тебе лет? Or a formal one is сколько вам лет? So now you might be curious how to answer these questions. To get more answers on these questions, keep watching italki channel for more tips on learning Russian. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also you can take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description.